The experiment we're doing is hot and cold.
The purpose of this experiment is to determine if hot and cold liquids sink and rise when they come in contact with each other.
The materials used are 1 bottle of water filled with hot water, another bottle of water filled with cold water, and playing card. Also, you can add color just to see the difference
between when it sinks and rises. Now we will be conducting the experiment. First, take off the caps of each of the bottles and place the hot water on the surface. Second, get the cold water and the playing card and place the playing card over the cold water. Next, slowly tip the bottled water onto the hot water and
Slowly take out the card.
Slowly take out the card. Wait a couple of minutes to see what happens.
4 seconds.
4 seconds. Don't squeeze it. And if you can see, some of the cold water is sinking and some of the hot water is rising.
As you can see, the water vapors on the top of the bottle.
Yeah.
Wait a couple of seconds until you actually see the hot water rising, the cold water sinking.
If you turn off the light, and a flashlight, and then turn it back on, we can determine that the chemical substance of the hot and cold water come in contact with each other. Now take the water bottle off,
and then you will see.
Then you will see it. Then you'll see that the hot water, which was red, it's lighter on top and dark on the bottom, so that the cold water sinks. Now, if you take a look
at the cold water bottle, you will see
that it turned orange, meaning when green and red combine turns to a light orange, that the hot water actually did rise into the cold water bottle, and
the cold water is on the surface.
So we can come to a conclusion that when you put hot and cold water together in contact with each other, that the hot
fluids sink
and hot fluids rise.